हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर सेशन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जय हिंद ऑल ऑफ यू। और एक्सप्रेस शॉट में आपका स्वागत है, वेरी भी वेलकम है, ठीक है ना। तो आज हम लोग अपना स्टार्ट करेंगे सेशन अपना स्टार्ट करेंगे विथ फुल्ली कॉन्फिडेंट। ओके, अपकमिंग 10 to 20 मिनट जस्ट लिसन टू बी वेरी केयरफुली। ओके, सो दैट यू कैन प्रॉपर अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। बेसिकली ये सेशन जो है हम लोग का करंट रिलेटेड है। और उसमें ध्यान हम लोग को खास ये रखा जाएगा, मतलब रखेंगे हम लोग, ये रखते हैं ध्यान कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंग्लिश समझने का कोशिश करेंगे, ठीक है ना। अच्छा लगता है अपना काम करने के लिए, ठीक है। पीवी सिंधु गेट्स, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडे सेशन। पीवी सिंधु गेट्स वोटिंग राइट्स ऑन बी on BWF Rehab Council BWF Council after election as chair of Athlete Communication कमीशंस, सॉरी कम्युनिकेशन नहीं, कमीशंस है। मैं अपना फ़ोटो इधर रखता हूँ, ठीक है ना, जिससे कि थोड़ा सा मैं अपना फेस भी देखूंगा कि कैसा मेरा आ रहा है। तो पीवी सिंधु द फॉर्मर वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन एंड ओलंपिक मेडलिस्ट, ठीक है ना। पीवी सिंधु तो यही है, पीवी सिंधु फोटो दिख रहा है आप लोग को, ठीक है ना। तो ये जो है वो वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन एंड ओलंपिक मेडलिस्ट है ये, ठीक है ना। हैज़ ऑफिशियली स्टार्टेड हर टर्म एज अ वोटिंग a member of the BWF Council after being elected as the chair of the BWF Athletes Commission. Her presence within the council is significant as she is an active athlete competing at the highest level and will bring the perfectionship and experiences of elite athletes into the decision making process. Okay, so that now next, Karan Wahi turn vegetarian, says it help him tackle widely dry skin allergies. Karan Wahi, 39, has recently switched a vegetarian diet and has seen a significant improvement in his skin after struggling with skin issue and 4 to 5 years, according to Dr. Azwe Dozeda. Incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can improve skin health, but beginning a vegetarian does not guarantee healthier skin. Oh, कोई नहीं. Now let's see our Indian Railways situation. Okay, Indian Railway, Railways permanently upgrades India's 42nd Vande Bharat train to 20 coaches. ओ गाइस, वंदे भारत जितना ज़्यादा कर रहा है तो हम खासकर बोलेंगे भाई नॉर्मल गाड़ी भी थोड़ा बढ़ा दो और टाइमली पहुंचाने वाला करो प्रोसेसिंग, जिससे कि सबका ध्यान में रखा जाए, ठीक है ना। द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रेलवे हैज़ परमानेंटली अपग्रेडेड इंडिया 42nd Vande Bharat train on the train to a 20 coach configuration to meet rising demand. The train runs between Ahmedabad and Mumbai Central and was initially launched with 16 coaches, but 4 additional coaches were introduced in January 2026. The train covers a distance of 491 kilometers in 5 hour 40 minutes. Okay, and sports stops at 4 railway station, only 4 railway station stop. Okay, 491 kilometer cover within 5 hour 40 minutes. Okay, understood. Okay, अब देखो थोड़ा इंडस्ट्री का मामला में, मूवी इंडस्ट्री में, रास्किसम इज बॉलीवुड बिगेस्ट इशू एक्सेप्ट नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी vegetarian Bollywood actor has experienced racism and discrimination in the industry dispute. Despite the parallel cinema movement, he believed that beauty should not be defined by skin color and admires the late actress Samita Patil for her unique beauty. Yes, right. Now next, IPL KKR player fined 20% match fee for act committed during LSG match. Kolkata Knight Riders batters Ang Krishna Raghuvanshi was fined and give a demerit point for breaching the IPL's code of conduct during their match against Lucknow Super Giants. Raghuvanshi was dismissed in a rare manner and got into a heated argument with the umpires. CERT in outlines safeguards for orgs, MSMEs amid Mythos AI cybersecurity risk concern. The maturing cyber capabilities of Fortniter AI system gives them the ability to autonomously discover security vulnerabilities in widely used software analysis sources code and plan a chain together multi stage attack to compromise enterprises network into end. ठीक है ना, the Indian computer and emergency response team CERT, ठीक है ना, said a new advisory issue on Sunday April 26. Okay, now next. Yes, actually this news I had seen last day. Yes, yesterday, definitely yesterday in Instagram. Yes, definitely. So now next, explain this news. Sebastian Suave runs 1 hour 59 minutes 30 seconds. The grandmother who won't see it. Kenya runner Sebastian Save honored his grandmother's memory by running his first half marathon है guys. Yes, okay, half marathon जो है ना ये complete करा under 2 hours. Yes, and I target also. Yes, definitely I try to cover within 2 hours in future. Yes, definitely, no doubt. Breaking a record with a time of 59 minutes 2 seconds. He went on to become the first human to legally run a marathon in under 2 hours, showcasing his determination and journey from a remote village in Kenya. Village in Kenya. Yes, brilliant. I explain this news, guys, because I think it is need here needed is okay. Sebastian Save runs 1 hour 59 59 minute 30 second. The grandmother who won't not see it. Okay, on the night of January 29, 2022, Sebastian Save learned that his grandmother was dying. Okay, he was Salvian. Uh, he was Salvian Spanish in high in Spanish कति बोल का Spanish the night before his first competitive half marathon. His job the next morning was to place the elite field through 10 kilometers, then step right aside. Instead, he made a decision. He would run not for the clock, not for the contract, not for the again agent who had never called back, but for Coco, the woman, the woman, the woman who had raised him a him in a mud walled house in Chaucata with no electricity, who had told him every time the world closed a door that it would be okay. When the gunfire, he ignored the packing brief entry and entirely. By 7 kilometers, the elite field had collapsed behind him. A race director pulled alongside on a motorbike. Nobody's with you, just go. He finished in 59 minutes 2 seconds, a course record by minute and a half. Day later, he flew home to Kenya and burned her. Also read this. She never saw what became on Sunday in London in a time of 1 hour 59 minutes 30 seconds. Sebastian Save become the first human beginning to run a legal marathon under 2 hours, and his first tough, he told Dairos AS in the moment after crossing the finish line, was of his family, of home, of the people who had told him when nothing else was certain that it would be okay. Save was born in Cheuruta, a remote village in Kenya, Rift Valley, the region that produced generations of the world's greatest distance runner. His father from Marza. His mother had been a promising spinner who early pregnancy ended that dream. That remains was Coco. She rises him mud-walled, drill, drit floors faith. She was always there for me. Save told runners world. She always told me it will be okay. At this memory, his voice trivial. The only moment emotion crossed his face in hours for conversations. Okay, I like this guys. I like this guy. I like this guy. Yes, I like this guy. I like this guy because he complete his running. Okay, no worry. Now next. Uh, Ashwin explained when MS Dhoni could play for CSK in IPL 2026. Former India's India's off-spinners Ravichandran Ashwin suggested that MS Dhoni will only pre-cricketed participated in IPL 2021 if CSK is out of the race for the playoffs, while Ashwin is optimistic about CSK chances for qualification. Head coach Stephen Fleming expresses concern about Dhoni's calf injury. CSK will need to win four of their upcoming matches to secure a spot in the playoff. Okay. Okay, now next चलते हैं. Yes. Heat heat wave. Yes, here temperature is also high, around more than 20, I mean 41. Yes, 41 degree temperature, and 28, under 28. Okay, I mean 28 to 41. So see this is temperature of Delhi's heat wave. To tight, I mean times grips over Delhi, Maharashtra, UP's, and Rajasthan's. The IMD has issued a heat wave alert for northwest and central India, with temperature expected to exceed 42 degrees Celsius in major district from April 20 to 30. Relief in the form of tundra development and rain. Light rain is forecasted for Delhi and surrounding areas. Scattered rainfall and snowfall are expected in Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal, and Uttarakhand due to western disturbance. Okay. Counting underway for Azwal Municipal Corporation polls. PM leads in 5 wards. The counting of votes for Aizawl Municipal Corporation elections is underway, with ZPM leading in 5 wards. The voter turnout was 62.77%, with 68 candidates, including 28 women, competing. The result for the remaining wards are yet to be announced. MNF, Congress, and BJP have nominated 19 and 11 candidates respectively. MNF won the previous civics polls in 2021. Guys, I avoid this. Okay. Coffee, diet, coke and comfort inside Generation Z's world of emotional support drink. Generation Z, Gen Z जिसको बोलते हैं हम लोग. Okay, Gen Z is shifting away from their partying image and turning to non-alcoholic emotional support drink. Yes, right. To manage stress and feel in control. This drink, ranging for coffee to soft drink, serve as a symbolic coping mechanism in a high-stress environment and are popularized on social media. right way. ड्रिंक वगैरह मत करो, ठीक है ना. जैसे वाइन वगैरह होता है, बियर वगैरह होता है, वो सब नहीं करो. जैसे अब ठंडा वगैरह पियो, कोक पी लो, ठीक है, अच्छा है. जैसे कि कॉफ़ी पी लिया, कोई बात नहीं. स्प्राइट वगैरह, मतलब कोई भी चीज़ पी लो, मतलब ठंडा में, कोल्ड ड्रिंक में कोई भी चीज़ पी लो, ठीक है ना. बस एल्कोहलिक नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट. हमजा मोर चैलेंजिंग देन खिलजी ओह माय गॉड, ये कौन सा मूवी का है खिलजी? हाँ, रणवीर से धुरंधर took so much out of me. Ranveer Singh's performance in Dhurandhar is said to be his career best and even more challenging than his role as अलाउद्दीन खिलजी। वो अलाउद्दीन खिलजी में ये रोल करा था, धुरंधर में तो हमजा का रोल करा ही था, ठीक है, ये तो मैं देखा ही मूवी। अलाउद्दीन खिलजी इन पद्मावती ओ पद्मावत ओ माय गॉड, पद्मावत मूवी है ना, उसमें अलाउद्दीन खिलजी का रोल प्ले कर लिया था। इन कन्वर्सेशन विथ मैंस एक्सपी, रणवीर्स business partner Nikunj Biani reveals that playing Hamza and Jaskrit Singh Ragi in Dhurandhar was more demanding for the actor. It took him to a drank place and required him to give OMG। चलो अब चड्डा जी के बारे में देख लेते हैं, राघव चड्डा के बारे में देख लेते हैं आखिर क्या है चड्डा जी का प्लानिंग। राघव चड्डा एड्रेसिंग बैकलॉग्स ऑन ज्वाइनिंग बीजेपी, सिटीज टॉक्सिक वर्क इन्वायरमेंट इन एएपी। राघव चड्डा अ फॉर्मर AAP's member addressing citizen for joining BJP in an Instagram video. Yes, he cites a toxic work environment and lack of freedom in AAPs as a reason for quitting. Chadda thanked those who support him and mentioned that 7 out of 10 AP's members are in the Rajya Sabha. Yes, I had already saw this video, this reels on Instagram. Just because, guys, I think that moment, what is going on in this time? Why Chadda quake AP? Yes, I know. Actually, in parliament there is no talking. पार्लियामेंट में इसको बोलने नहीं दिया गया, ठीक है ना। इसका जो है ना, इसका राज्यसभा का मतलब कुछ सीट वगैरह था, इसका बोला कि आपका जो है वो बोला हम जो है ना बोलने का फ्रीडम आपसे रिटर्न ले लिए, ठीक है। तो इसी के लिए ये जो है ना क्विक कर दिया, मतलब क्विक कर गया वहाँ से। अब बीजेपी ज्वाइन हो रहा है, इसी में इसका फॉलोवर्स पे मोर देन 2 मिलियन पीपल फॉलोवर्स डिक्रीज, ओके, मोर देन 2 मिलियन। अभी तो करेंटली अभी टाइम कितना हो रहा है देख लो भाई, टाइम का अनुसार अभी 3 बज रहा है ना, 15 बज रहा है, यानी 3 बज रहा है, 27 अप्रैल है, अभी 2 मिलियन से ज़्यादा डिक्रीज हो चुका है, ठीक है ना। अब देखो आगे में कितना डिक्रीज होता है। बाकी नेक्स्ट चलते हैं हम लोग। वंस इन अ जनरेशन agreement, New Zealand PM Luxon ahead of signing FTA फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट विद इंडिया, ठीक है ना। न्यूजीलैंड अब हम लोग के साथ करेगा, न्यूजीलैंड, ठीक है ना। न्यूजीलैंड का पीएम लक्सॉन है न्यूजीलैंड का पीएम, तो वही अभी फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट हम लोग के साथ करेगा। न्यूजीलैंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर लक्सॉन इज ऑप्टिमिस्टिक अबाउट the free trade agreement with India, giving access to 1.4 billion people and boosting trade to $5 billion in 5 years. The pact to be signed in the presence of Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal will also bring in $20 billion investment in various sectors. India has also finalized free trade agreement with other countries. Yes, definitely, जैसे यूके हो गया, ठीक है ना। अब यूरोपियन यूनियन के साथ में मदर डील कर लिया है एग्रीमेंट, उसी तरह, ठीक है ना। तो बहुत सारा कंट्री है। अब देखते हैं हम लोग अब नेक्स्ट थोड़ा इलॉन मस्क के बारे में। इलॉन मस्क लॉन्चेस एक्सचैट अमिड व्हाट्सएप प्राइवेसी रो। एक्सचैट लॉन्च कर दिया, ओ माय गॉड। हाउ टू यूज इट ऑन आईफोन आईपैड। इलॉन मस्क owned X on Friday, April 24, launches a new instant messaging app called XChat to take on established service such as WhatsApp and Telegram. The app is currently available for iPhone and iPad user. ओ मतलब एंड्रॉयड के लिए अभी यूज़र मतलब नहीं आया है. With a strong focus on user privacy through end-to-end encryption, positing itself as a cleaner alternative to conventional messaging platform. XChat does not have any ads. OMG. तो व्हाट्सएप भी कौन सा ऐड आता है व्हाट्सएप में? ऐसा तो कोई बात नहीं है भाई, ठीक है ना. व्हाट्सएप में कौन सा ऐप मतलब आता है? व्हाट्सएप में कौन सा अभी जो आता है ऐड आता है? टेलीग्राम में हाँ आता है, टेलीग्राम में थोड़ा बहुत ऐड आ जाता है, दे देता है, मतलब ग्रुप वगैरह हम देखते हैं. Researchers decode why standard for breast cancer treatment don't work for some. India's researchers have identified CDKN1B as a cerucal gene responsible for the inactiveness of standard hormone therapies in treating HR plus breast cancer. They have also discovered a potential solution in the form of a combination of two drugs, which could improve treatment and identification of high-risk patients. Why often quarter benchmark oil prices can be defective during supply crises. The West Asia war has causes oil price to become usable due to the blockage of the Strait of Hormuz. Refineries are paying higher prices in the physical market, and there is a risk of significant price increase if the situation does not improve. This is similar to the impact of Russia-Ukraine war, but not as service का थी वो सर्विस सर्वर ओके. डॉक्टर के बारे में देखो भाई, अहमद हिट्स वेव 49% टर्न आउट इन गुजरात लोकल बॉडीज पोल्स. The first general election in Gujarat after the special intensive रिवीजन SIR का फुल फॉर्म क्या हुआ? स्पेशल इंटेंसिव है ओ स्पेशल intensive revision. SIR had a low voter turnout in urban areas compared to rural areas. The State Election Commission's provisional data showed an average turnout of 49.02% in 15 municipal corporations, the highest in the last 3 elections. Nawazuddin Siddiqui reveals daughter destroy his confidence. She criticized ByteDance. OMG. Nawazuddin Siddiqui's daughter Sora is his honest and strict critic, especially when it comes to his dancing skill. Despite her aspirants to become an actor, she is focusing on completing her study first. Nawazuddin admits that her criticism has destroyed his confidence in dancing, but he is determined to keep trying. OMG. नाउ देखा जाए कथी बोल रहे हो ये बैच साइट विजिट फ्लैग प्राइसिंग गैप्स वैकेंट एसिड्स panel member raising traders concern a recent committee inspection of commercial properties in Kandivali Mulud and Ghatkopar has revealed significant disparities in lease rates, with some properties remaining unused for year. Committee member Nitin Gadonkar has raised concern about the basis of rate determination, lack of free periodic retendering, and underutilized assets. Michael worldwide box office collection. Michael Jackson film earns biggest biopic opening. माइकल जैक्सन मूवी आ गया ना, कल भी तो पढ़ रहे थे. एंटोनी फुगुआ माइकल जैक्सन बायोपिक माइकल स्टार्टिंग जाफर जैक्सन एज हिज अंकल एंड लेगेसी पॉप आइकन. माइकल जैक्सन हैज ब्रेव लेगेसी नेगेटिव रिव्यूज to score the biggest opening for a biopic in history. It earned $97 million in North America and Canada, bordering on the historic milestone of $100 million only domestically. देखो भाई आ गया इसराइल का अटैक. Israel strike kill 14 in Lebanon residents told to leave border town. Israel launched a missile attack on Lebanon, killing 14 and injured 37. The Israel army warned residents to evacuate 7 towns beyond their occupied buffer zone, but hostilities continued. Israel accused Hezbollah of voting the ceasefire and warned of a forceful response. Okay. MLA और MP में क्या पढ़ेंगे. MLA में CEO regrets choosing startup great over his daughter birth. Sun Pharma to acquire organs for $11.75 billion. Why the timing is significant? Sun Pharma, India's largest pharma company, will acquire organ and CO for $11.75 billion, stretching its global presence and expanding its portfolio in the US. The deal will be funded through a combination of cash reserve and loans. Organ, a leading healthcare company, specializes in women's health and general medicines. The acquisition will also give Sun Pharma access to biosimilar market. Arvind Kejriwal write to Justice Sharma would not appear in person or through lawyer. Kejriwal has refused to appear before Justice Swarna Kanta Sharma in the Delhi excise policy case and will instead follow Gandhiji's सत्याग्रह. Okay, he also reserves to right to appeal her decision in the Supreme Court. The Delhi High Court had dismissed their appeal for Justice Sharma rescual. जस्टिस सूर्यकांत तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का है, जस्टिस शर्मा तो दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट का मतलब जज है ना, दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट का जज जस्टिस शर्मा है ना. Rescual, and she has defended her independence and integrity in a 115-page judgment. Rinku Singh, the year that broke him and the knock that didn't. Rinku Singh long awaited defining performance, including a half-century, 5 catches, and hitting the winning runs in the super over. After a challenging year, Rinku needed a strong inning to prove himself, and he did just that against Rajasthan Royals. Despite his reputation as a finisher, Rinku shows his ability with a more calculated approach at the crisis. Vicky Kaushal, Father Sharma Kaushal, 70 crashes weight in the gym. Sharma Kaushal 70 shared a video of himself working out of the gym, doing residence exercise. Fitness expert Garima Goyal explains the importance of strength training for those in their 70s, highlighting the concept of active aging and the role of protein intake and recover. She emphasizes the mindset of consistency. Right. Dhurandhar 2 box office collection day 39 rupees 33 crore. CR, yes, crore बोलेंगे but CR यूज़ करते हैं. rupees 33 CR, shy of beating Bahubali 2 worldwide. Edited her spy thriller Dhurandhar 2 The Revenge. ओ भाई सॉरी, why I feel sorry guys. देखो भाई बोल रहा है कि धुरंधर 2 जो मूवी है द रिवेंज स्टार्टिंग रणवीर starring Ranveer Singh refused to slow down even during its 6th weekend, facing steep competition from releasing old and new across Bollywood and Hollywood. The film managed to hold its own, earning rupees 6.40 crores over its 6th weekend. Rishabh Pant must not be burned. Ex-IPL coach suggested LSG leadership change. LSG captain Rishabh Pant is facing backlash for his poor performance as captain and batter, with the team losing all 5 matches the season and 8 consecutive matches at home. Former India batter Wasim Jafar suggested replacing Pant with Aiden Markram from South Africa as captain, believing Pant should focus on its batting instead of leadership. ओके, यही सब होता है। बेस्ट करते रहना चाहिए, खुद को अपग्रेड करते रहना चाहिए, नहीं तो फिर रिप्लेस कर देगा किसी और के साथ में, ठीक है ना। ये तो सीख मिलता है भाई। स्टॉक मार्केट जंप 0.6% आफ्टर क्रूड लेड slump. India stock market opened higher on Monday with the Sensex and Nifty 50 rising 0.63% and 0.64% respectively. Gift Nifty future were trading at 24,143.5 points, and the previous three sessions saw a 2.7% decrease in both benchmark indexes, attributed to rising crude prices and weak earning outlook from software companies. Okay, now next, Amir Khan tears up watching son Junaid Ek Din calls Sai Pallavi India's best actor. OMG. Amir Khan's son Junaid is set to make his Bollywood debut in the romantic dramas Ek Din alongside Sai Pallavi. The makers recently hosted a musical event where Amir criticized Sai as the biggest actor in the country and got emotional watching his son performance. ओ साथ में है, चलो कोई बात नहीं। How Elon Musk used SpaceX to benefit himself and his businesses. Over the next 3 years, Musk borrowed a total of $500 million, okay, from his company. The long terms were significantly lower than what most banks offer, with an interest rate that fluctuated from less than 1% to nearly 3%, according to internal SpaceX documents obtained by the New York Times. The documents did not say how Musk planned to use the money, which he paid back to SpaceX by 2021. Trusted best batsman in super over plants and longer defined standing out of form पुरान लखनऊ सुपर ग्रैंड्स। अच्छा ठीक है, कोई गल नहीं, क्रिकेट वगैरह का तो चलता ही रहेगा क्या। ईरान ऑफर्स यूएस न्यू प्रपोजल सीकिंग टू reopen Strait of Hormuz, end war report. Iran reports, okay, Iran has proposed to reopen the Strait of Hormuz and end the war with the US, thought Pakistani intermediators. President Trump is open to negotiations but believes the US will emerge victorious. Iran has also conveyed their red lines, including nuclear issues, through written messages during a recent visit by their foreign minister. Gas and acidity during heat waves, which superfoods to eat from morning to night. Summer can be tough on our digestions, leading to bloating, gas and acidity. However, making smart food choices can alleviate these issues. This issue being your day with a light and hydrating breakfast. Choose cooling snacks. Have a balanced lunch. OPT for satisfying evening snacks, and keep dinner smiling. Drinking warm water with fennel before bed can be also smooth your gut. Stay hydrated for best result. Yes, राघव चड्ढा फिर आ गया। राघव चड्ढा के बारे में क्या ही पढ़ें। अजीत डोभाल के बारे में थोड़ा देख लेते हैं। मिस यूएई प्रेसिडेंट गिव्स न्यू दिल्ली गल्फ आउटरीच पुश। NSA अजीत डोभाल met UAE President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan in Abu Dhabi to strengthen India's ties with Gulf countries. PM Modi and EAM Jaishankar, External Affairs Minister Jaishankar, have also engaged with leading leaders from these countries. The meeting discussed enhancing the comprehensive strategic partnership and cooperation on energy security. Okay, तो यही सब है गाइस। गवर्नमेंट ऑनलाइन अकाउंट ब्लॉकिंग ऑर्डर्स double to 24,000 in a year, over half on X. Okay, the number of online content blocking orders has doubled in the past year due to deep fake objectionable post and AI generated content as social media. Most orders are for X, Facebook and Instagram, with requests increasing since Operation Sindoor in May 2025. Politicians have also complained about fake posted using their name and images. ओके तो यहाँ का सेशन आज हम लोग यहीं पे एंड करेंगे गाइस, क्योंकि टाइम भी हो गया, ठीक है ना, और काफ़ी लंबा सेशन हो गया। मंडे था तो इसलिए करे, तो स्टार्टिंग का 5 डेज 6 डे तो हम लोग को इसी तरह लर्न रहेगा, लगभग 20 to 40 मिनट्स अंदर। ओके, नो वरी, सब चीज़ सीखने के लिए होता है, धीरे धीरे सीखना है और डेली रेगुलर सीखना है। इसी के साथ में आज हम लोग यहाँ पे अपना सेशन को एंड करते हैं। तो टेल मी ऑन कमेंट सेक्शन कैसा लगा आप लोगों को आज का सेशन, अच्छा लगा या नहीं लगा। उसके बाद कैसा लगा एफर्ट, ऐसे डेली करेंगे काम हम लोग, और ख़ुद को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना। मैं खुद को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए ये काम कर रहा हूँ, आप भी कुछ खुद को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हो, कोई मैटर नहीं है, करना है, ठीक है ना, बैठे नहीं रहना है, कुछ से कुछ करो, ठीक है। प्रैक्टिकल करता है तो उससे काफ़ी चीज़ सीखने को मिलता है, काफ़ी चीज़ एक्सपीरियंस होता है, ठीक है ना, और एक्सपीरियंस है भाई तो सब चीज़ है, ठीक है ना। तो एक्सपीरियंस लो और न्यू अप्लाई करो और स्किल गेन करो। यस डेफिनेटली, बिकॉज वी नीड मोर स्किल। यस, इन दिस टाइम, प्रेजेंट टाइम, everybody is just take everybody want to take like shortcut. There is no any shortcut route, guys. Okay, there is no any shortcut route, just only route you decide. What you decide by our hard work. Okay, so do hard work proper. Okay, then see you another day, another session. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टाटा, and again जय हिंद all of you guys.